How to answer academic discussion. Here, we will answer this question step by step. Welcome back to our series on mastering the TOEFL writing section. Today, we are focusing on the academic discussion task. I'll guide you through a step-by-step approach to effectively answer this task. Remember, practice and strategy are your keys to success. Let's start. In this task, you will contribute to an online academic discussion. It's crucial to understand how to approach this effectively within the time limit. Let's break down the steps. Step 1 is to identify the class subject. It's usually mentioned at the top of the task. Knowing the subject helps you frame your thoughts within the right context, whether it's sociology, political science, or economics. Step 2 involves reading the professor's writing. Pay attention to the background information or any specific details provided by the professor, as this sets the stage for the question and your response. Next, in step 3, focus on the question posed by the professor. This is the core of your task. Understand the question well, as your boss should directly address this question. Moving to step number 4. There is no need to read the students' opinions. While these can provide insights, they are not essential for your response. Your primary focus should be on adding your unique perspective to the discussion. They will only waste your time, and if you check the official TOEFL website and check the perfect answer for this task, you will find that they didn't add any information from the students' bosses. So, take this tip from me and don't waste your time. Alright guys, before we proceed, I'd like to introduce you to our comprehensive master courses. We already have more than 3,000 of students. You can find best templates to use, practice tests, whether you prepare in 2 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, or more. And there is a discount for the YouTube audience. Don't miss this opportunity, just click at the description below. Step number 5. Writing your bust. Aim for 120 to 150 words. This is where you articulate your viewpoint, using transitions for coherence, ensuring it's insightful and adds value to the discussion. Spend around 7 minutes on this to develop a thoughtful and well-structured post. Finally, step number 6. Leave 1 minute for reviewing. This is so important. Use this time to check for any grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, clarity in your argument, and ensure that your boss directly answers the question. By following these steps, you will be well prepared to tackle the academic discussion task in the TOEFL exam. Remember, the key is to add to the discussion with clear, conscious, and relevant points. Practice this structure and you will find your confidence and skills growing. Thank you for joining this session. Keep practicing and don't forget to check out our other lessons for more strategies and tips. Good luck with your TOEFL preparation and I'll see you in the next lesson.